There he is right there, guys. Oh, that's a good one right there, baby. That's a good one. What's going on, beautiful people? Fix you a big old glass of sweet tea and hang out with me for a little bit. We're gonna go see if we can't get on some of these bluegill beds. Let's do it. Guys, we are out here scouring these banks looking for bluegill beds. Now the thing about bluegill beds is you don't have to waste a whole lot of time in one spot, because if they're on bed and you find them, they're gonna hit pretty quick. So there ain't no real need to stand and wait and wait and wait and wait. I like to give it, 2 or 3 casts around, and if nothing happens pretty quick, you probably ain't on a bed of them. But we're looking for beds. There he is right there, guys. Oh, that's a good one right there, baby. That's a good one. That is a good one. That's a shell cracker. Oh man, that's a hoss right there. Look at that right there, guys. Look at that right there, guys. You want to talk about a big old shell cracker, son. Look at that. Good Lord Almighty. Look how big that shell cracker is. Golly. That's the best one I've caught all year, I believe. That is a nice one. I thought it was a damn crappie when I first hooked him. That's a good one right there, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, I should say. Golly, come on, dude. Dang. White bad boy there. Look there. Golly. Trying to get this hook out of him. If you can lip him like that, fellas, that's a good one right there, son. That's what we want. Golly, at this hook. Look at that. Look at that right there. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one right there now. That's what we come out here to get. Yes, sir. That's what we come out here looking for. Yeah, I thought that was a crappie when I first hooked him. Couldn't believe a crappie had hit on a night crawler, but it was a big old shell cracker is what it was. Yes, sir. Well, while we got a minute here, let's just sit here. I'm using a 4.5 foot ultralight, the old Shakespeare, the micro series, Walmart's finest. Got a Shimano FX reel, and we're using night crawlers with a slip bobber. That's what our setup is today. What's another good shell cracker? That's another good shell cracker right there, guys, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big bluegill, I think. Golly. Well, he is fighting his freaking rear end off. Yeah, it's a bluegill. That's a good one too, guys. It's another big one. Look at there, look at there. Another big bluegill. I mean, that is a hoss right there, guys. Look at that. Look at that bluegill. It's a nice one right there now. That's what we're after. That's the kind of bluegill we're after right there, fellas. Golly, look at that right there. Yes, sir. Put him in the bucket. That's what we want. Another fish on, guys. Looks like another bluegill. This one ain't quite as big as the others. Ain't too bad. Motherfucker done got me hung up in the motherfucking log. Got another one on, guys. Another hoss. Look at that. Golly. Look at this bluegill. This some bitch right here is a monster. Look at that. Look at that bluegill. He has swallowed this thing. Golly Moses. Monsters, baby. All right, let me show y'all another tactic for finding bluegill beds that I like to do. If you come in a cove like this, Lord have Murphy's pearl at my daggum line. Good God Almighty. Look at this junk. I swear. Oh, yes, sir. This is a damn mess, son. Look at this. Good God Almighty. All right. Now, can we get this shit reeled back in? Oh, boy. That does not look too promising for the home team, boys. I'm just going to tell you. This is looking rough. It's looking rough. You just got to be easy with it like a woman. Just real soft, like just pull it right on out of there, you know. And then it gets to the point where you just can't do nothing else, and there she is. Motherfucker. God damn it. Fuck it. Gosh damn. Look at this fucking shit. Give me my fucking shit.